Okay guys, good afternoon. So we cut this long here and we're trying to get to the target.
Long signal ES.
Look at the power of correlation, guys. You see here the high momentum here, high momentum here. Okay, so these two steps can tell you that the market is trying to break higher. So you gotta be aware of that, guys. So you need to check for the signals all the time. Okay, so don't get fooled by the market. There we go. Very good trade, guys. I couldn't get the sell-off, but did get the. Okay, we got one off. Get the second one. There you go. It's a free trade now. Okay. So as you can see here, we cut the sell-off over here, and you see the visual imbalance. It hit the target here, and reversed immediately. You see the sellers were waiting here in this area, as expected. This is what the market is supposed to do, guys. The market is supposed to reverse in the ATRs, okay? Because these are measured moves, so it's very important. Then we see 900 contracts, but you never know what's gonna happen. And you see the selling in the bid ask over here down low in the lower part of the chart. You see the big red line here, lots of sellers. Then we see over
Long
2,000
signal
contracts
NQ.
short in the visual imbalance, and from there on you see the tape of the bars, which is very quick, in less than a minute, all these bars. So it's not a brainer. You need to go short. Okay, so whoever cut this trade made a lot of money. Okay, so right now I just got this one right now, and it's working very well. Correlation is powerful, guys. Very powerful. The tape is told us here. You see the tape over here is telling us we're going long, guys. It hit here, the tape. We're going long again. So, and then you see over here, maybe you don't see it that well, but here is a blue line here. The market was going down, and you see a blue line from the tape. They were, anxious, trying to reverse the market. So you need to always look for those signals. Just read what the market leaves behind, because that way you can understand better, and just have patience. Don't jump in. Just let it go. Let it develop. As soon as it breaks out, you will see the tape, you will see the momentum, you will see everything. Okay, I'm out. You will see everything, guys. Everything is printed in the charts. Okay, you just need to wait a little bit. Don't get fooled. You see over here the time and sales tape from the micro ES2. It broke. When they hit the ATR, they broke it. So you see the skids here, the scars of the buyers pushing the price. You see the scars of the buyers pushing the price. So that's what you need to look for. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Okay, show you how the system works. And just to let you know that if you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of the video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching.